Hey everyone, if you take a look, I'm using Claude Fable 5 here in free plan, okay, and you can do the same as well, but let me show you the proof first by creating a game. So I'm creating snake game, and here you can see it start working. It takes a little bit time, so let make it fast. So finally the game is ready, and here you can see in the right side I'm playing this and it works perfect. And in the left side you can see I have used Claude Fable 5 to create this game. Okay, now I know you want to do the same like how I did that and everything. So in this video I'm going to show you how I created this game and how you can do the same by testing this model and everything. You can do that as well, and there is completely free of course, so there is no need to pay anything. Okay, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and let's start this video. To use Claude Fable 5, you have to go to this site, that is Tasklet, and I will provide the link in the description. Now what you have to do is, here you can see you can upload your files. Not only that, here you can see you can add connections, computer, then trigger, and you can contact methods as well. Here you can also connect your app API and MCPs. Now here if you click on advanced, here you can see there are four options: basic, advanced, expert and genius. But apart from that, just click on pick a specific model. Now when you click here, you can see there are OpenAI models available as well, and if I click on Anthropic, there are more models available. As I am using Claude Fable 5 here, so I will choose Claude Fable 5. Now here you can see Claude Fable 5 is selected, and as you can see I have created the snake game in the beginning of the video. Yes, I have created using the same model. Now let me just show you one more thing. Here you can see at the top right side there is a credit balance, where in the starting part you get 300 credits, but now only 83 left because I have used 220 credits already for creating the snake game. And don't worry guys, this credit will not finish because when it get finished it will update or refresh tomorrow. Means it refresh daily to get 300 credits daily at free of cost. Here you can see for proof I have free plan, and I can go and upgrade to more plans like buy credits and monthly subscriptions. So I don't gonna do that, but if you want to do that you can go and check it out. And guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I have just started the channel and I need your support to get compete with others, and I hope you will do the same. It's about 128 subscribers now, and I hope we just finished 150 subscribers soon. So let's take a target of 150 subscribers. Okay, so I hope you will complete that in this video.